The 53 here.
This one side, all this one standing, all this ones.
There are 53 buildings.
They are within. No, they are within that alignment.
Okay, the 53.
Now, alignment yourself.
Go back. Go back. Go back.
This is your signature.
Yeah, this is signature. This is signature.
Now, the alignment is on this side.
But this is already taking this.
This one, this line. This line. This line. This one has to be. So it will go straight. So if it goes straight, start playing. If it goes straight, you take this ring. So that one has stayed. Now you now see all these ones are very fully. Now, this is the alignment on this side. This side is still intact until we get to this point where this one has to go fully. So this one side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all these ones are going. And the reasons are clear. If you look at the one to play first, and now, the developers cost it. So, all these ones,
Signature is not okay. That's the right.
so
Now, the phone is
So, don't worry, okay? Don't worry. Please. We are not animals here. We are all human beings. And we want human solutions to a human problem. It's when we can't find it that we go to clear it out. So let's continue playing. Now, building on that same setback part. Now,
This canal too. This part of the canal.
no, it's not.
Okay.
The road does it. The road.
Okay.
Now, the people covered everything.
So the road now.
Road to your place, go.
So there is no road there.
There is no road there.
My house is just in front.
Now, let's look at
Current situation. No. Let's finish it.
now. The alignment is on this side.
But this is already taking this.
This one, this line. This line. This line. This one has to be. So it will go straight. So if it goes straight, start playing. If it goes straight, you take this ring. So that one has stayed. Now you now see.
Naturally, there is a channel here. In the 1990s, Lagos State government left this alignment all the way. Everybody met that alignment.
Yeah.
Everybody. It is not in dispute. I mean, what we ought to have done is to leave it the way it is. Because government did that thing to favor whatever is going to be in the future. 20 years down the line, complaints came from the community here that they're being flooded. Clinical excision village that they were moved from Morocco, they were brought into the swamp. Okay, fine. It's not a swamp. There's supposed to be something that will take care of your situation. Lo and behold, we got here, construction all the way, encroachment. Okay, fine. We made sure you be encroached. We identify all the encroachment. What do we do? Okay, if you want to, one person can't solve it, not government, because we didn't cause the illegality. So it has to be you, the culprit. Well, we called all stakeholders, but they couldn't agree.
We were in your office.
Perspective only. I'm here as a government or as an individual. So I'm here to now implement the original plan that was done decades ago, before all these interventions took place. So if we can't get...
Madam, excuse me. We won't stretch, we won't overflow this matter.
No, but
Listen.
this is okay.
Did you encroach on the alignment for the canal? Is there an encroachment? Yes or no?
Severally, there
Excuse me.
Yes, sir.
I'm a lawyer. So,
I know. I know.
Give you the courtesy of
I know.
being a public servant.
I know.
Was there an alignment set back for this canal part?
Yes, sir.
To Ikota River? Yes. Now, were notices served on these people to abate this nuisance they caused? Yes or no? Excuse me, there were served notices. 3 years down the road, government will not wait for people to take the loss to their hand and still benefit from it. Excuse me. This demolition started from that point, yes, and I won't wait here because of people are a bit emotional about it. No,
I'm not saying.
okay, excuse me. I will take this whole thing down to Ikota River. heaven will not fall. I'm being very honest with you. The people that own these ones that were demolished, they don't have one head. You guys don't have two heads. We are all citizens, and people have contravened on the law. And it's still this brazen attitude of we can do it, we can get away with it, and nothing will happen. That is why we are where we are today as a people. The mantra is simple: you can't put something on nothing, and illegality can never beget legality. If you build on an illegal part, this is what they have done all this place. It's illegal. The worst part of it was at the point here they closed the canal totally, and you saw it yourself. You saw the drone shot. So now, I didn't just start the enforcement today. I started 2 days ago, and I brought down people's properties for being on the alignment. On what basis will I not leave your own? Heaven will not fall. I'm being very honest with you. The people that own these ones that were demolished, they don't have one head. You guys don't have two heads. We are all citizens, and people have contravened on the law. And it's still this brazen attitude of we can do it, we can get away with it, and nothing will happen. That is why we are where we are today as a people. The mantra is simple: you can't put something on nothing, and illegality can never beget legality. If you build on an illegal part, this is what they have done all this place. It's illegal. The worst part of it was at the point here they closed the canal totally, and you saw it yourself. You saw the drone shot. So now, I didn't just start the enforcement today. I started 2 days ago, and I brought down people's properties for being on the alignment. On what basis will I not leave your own?
Sorry, sir. If I may come in now, sir. Thank you so much.
Narrowed down by who?
And they say they don't know, they didn't see. So anyway, the issue there is
The canal part. This was where we are. This is where you guys narrowed it into what?
the 3-meter drain, not even a canal. So, barrister, really and truly, like you said, you see, madam, solution to environmental issue is not localized.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
The canal goes all the way to Kota River.
Yes, sir.
People's properties for being on the alignment. On what basis will I not leave your own?
Sorry, sir. If I may come in now, sir. Thank you so much.
Narrowed down by who?
And they say they don't know, they didn't see. So anyway, the issue there is
The canal part. This was where we are. This is where you guys narrowed it into what?
the 3-meter drain, not even a canal. So, barrister, really and truly, like you said, you see, madam, solution to environmental issue is not localized.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The canal goes all the way to Kota River.
Yes, sir.
The entire building is on the canal. This entire building, the whole line, straight down to Mobile Road. Exactly why they're exploring Mobile Road. The entire building here, this line is physically constructed on the canal.
Yeah, they now did this green straight. This is the road. We come out by it. Everything on the back of the canal is protect that. I really have to do the five. No sentiment here. Come for enforcement.
Starting from, I'm gonna start from both ends. That end is
Madam, you see yourself.
Yes, sir.
Madam, these are intentional discussions. You can see how they do. These are intentional discussions. Be honest, madam. Be honest with yourself. If you were called to adjudicate, you see a natural belt. You see what was done like to figure out this place. Is it that you're taking the public route you want to personal gain? What you have seen us thus far?
Just like I said, yes, sir. In all totality.
When is an infringement of the law?
So, you know, even when it's a
When
criminal.
you break the law,
Yes.
can you be reconciliatory about it?
I'll go with very slow.
Yes, sir.
You see when you have to make question, I get quiet.
Yes, sir.
Honestly,
Well,
I ask the question because can you be reconciliatory when you break
No, we can only
the law?
appeal.
The law.
We can only appeal for lesser punishment.
Let's have a very from an allocated. That is gone. That was 3 years ago. Madam, what you are, I'm listening.
Yes, I hear you,
We
sir.
work this part together. Let me now tell you why I think it will work.
Okay, sir.
I will take the public bill.
Okay, sir.
The oath I took was fair to all without fear of favor.
Yes, sir.
Now, this enforcement started not this morning.
So, and that.
And let us send a very strong signal. The government
Everybody.
is not going to be partial towards anybody.